Compute determinant A where A is given a 4x4 matrix. Instead of expanding along a row or column, let's row reduce so that we get a upper triangular matrix. Okay, and when we have a upper triangular matrix, its determinant is just the product of diagonal elements. So we want to make this 1, the very first element 1, for we can swap, interchange row 1 and row 4. For that we need to pay -1. But look at the first row, we got 2, -8, 6, 8. We can factor 2 out. So determinant A, we can factor 2 out. This is how we can make 1. So 2, and now determinant means we need not bracket, just the vertical lines. So 1, -4, 3, 4, and here that's 3, -9, 5, 10, -3, 0, 1, -2, 1, -4, 0, 6. Okay, now let's make this 0 using this pivot kind of pivot element, and let's make this 0 as well. Let's make this 0. Okay, so we are working on R2 so that R2 plus, never multiply by a number to R2 plus something. So this is 3, we can multiply R1 by -3. Okay, that's for making this 0. Now let's make this 0 as well. So row 3 such that row 3 plus -3, so multiply by 3 R1, and for R4 this is 1. So okay, do not multiply by anything to this corresponding row. So R4 and plus -1 R1. So we are doing these 3 things. So this determinant is equal to 2 outside, and we are not doing anything to the first row. 1, -4, 3, 4. Now this is 3 minus 3, 0, -9 plus 12, 3, 5 minus 9, -4, 10 minus 12, that's -2. In the same way, R3, -3 plus 3, 0, 0 minus 12, -12, 1 plus 9, 10, -2 plus 12, okay, that's 10. For R4, 1 plus -1, 0, -4 plus 4, 0, 0 minus 3, -3, 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, now next we want to make this 1. Okay, we want to make this 1 and 0 here and 0 here. We don't have to make this 1, but that might help us to get this 0, but this is kind of -12 already, so we don't have to make this 1. Okay, this is easy. So let's work on R3. So R3 plus, so -12, let's multiply R2 by 4, 4 R2, so this becomes plus 12, -12 plus 12, 0. Okay, so we don't have to make this 1. So this is 2, and not doing anything on R1, 1, -4, 3, 4, not doing anything on R2, 0, 3, -4, -2, now 0. So we are using R2, right? So 0, anything 0, -12 plus 12, 0, 10 plus -16, -6, 10 plus -8, that's 2, and the last row is 0, 0, -3, 2. Okay, we are almost there. So as soon as we make this element 0, then we have a upper triangular matrix determinant. Okay, so to make this 0, we can use this. We need to use this. Okay, don't use this any other. -6 and 2, we can factor something out from R4. you can factor 2, this 2 is already there, we can factor -2 out, or just 2, doesn't matter, just 2, and no change on R1, no change on R2. So when we factor 2 out, this is 0 0 -3 1 0 0 -3 2. Now we make this element 0, that's on the R4, so let's do that. So R4, so R4 plus, do not multiply by anything here, R4 plus -3, let's multiply by -1 to R3. Okay, we got 2 times 2, 4 outside, 1 -4 3 4 0 3 -4 -2 0 0 -3 1, and then now 0, just 0 0 3 -3 plus +3 0 2 plus -1, just 1, +1. Okay, so we have a upper triangular determinant. Look at here, this one. Okay, then the determinant is just the product of diagonal elements. So then we can do, this is 4 times, this determinant is 1 times 3 times -3 times 1, just the product of diagonal elements. That is 3 times 3 9, 4 36, -36, final.